You're going to look for the cable and the big yellow sticker as I look here underneath. So as you can see, right where you can see the cables right here and the yellow sticker right there behind this vent tube. So what you're going to do is if you have both of those screws pulled there, and then the whole unit will pull straight out. Now, okay, so here's the new one, as you can see, as I showed just a second ago. And here is the old one. Now, could be that it's replaced before. I bought this E53 used, but it was really well maintained and really was kind of considered factory when I got it. So with the marks on this, this may be the original FSU. It's certainly possible. Now, the one thing that is very difficult to show, so I'm going to try to verbally walk you through it. The plug that goes into place, I had to remove the plug to be able to feed this out. There's not enough length on the cabling because the cable comes in from one side and goes out the other side. So trying to pull it straight out with it plugged in, it just wouldn't come out. So there's two pressure clips on either side. So the plug comes in right here, and there's two pressure clips that you have to press on and pull to get the plug off. I found that it was really, really stubborn. So as you can see, laying here, I've got a small bladed screwdriver, which I'd be very careful with because what I don't want to hit is any electrical connections in this. I also have my plastic trim tool, which isn't conductive. So what I did is with my head underneath, underneath here, looking up in, I was able to get one hand on the plug, one hand on the FSU itself, and push against the FSU while pulling up on the plug.